Yeah man, this is the Dagan Sorrow. Marachuga in the house. Kapuku Digit in the house. Wow.
This is the joyride with the Rainbow Goddess, the Rainbow Goddess.
This is the joyride with the Rainbow Goddess, the Rainbow Goddess.
Hello my beautiful viewers and welcome to Joyride with the Rainbow Goddess. I'm Itzel and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a jackfruit tuna salad. Let's head to the kitchen. Okay, so to begin, we're going to start by draining our jackfruit. I'm going to put it basically in a wide pot with just a little bit of water. It doesn't have to be enough water to cover the jackfruit because we want to just steam the jackfruit. And then we're going to cover it. Now, I will say that if you bought jackfruit from Trader Joe's, that one, it seems like it already comes steamed because it's like really soft. And you can mash that on it like just as is. So if you bought Trader Joe's jackfruit, you can completely skip this step. And then we're going to dry it out in the oven at 325 degrees. Meanwhile, we're gonna prepare our other ingredients. And I like to clean my veggies with cold water and a little bit of apple cider vinegar. It helps with being antibacterial. My oven just beeped and said it reached 325, and in that time the jackfruit got soft enough that I could press it. Transfer it onto a baking tray. Now, you will need mayo for this recipe, and if you don't already have some vegan mayo in your fridge, I have a delicious vegan mayo recipe that comes out way better than the kind that you buy at the store. It's also healthier and much cheaper, and I'll put the link to that video in my description below. And don't worry, it's quick and easy to make, so you can do that now. Once you take your jackfruit out of the oven, I suggest just to put it into the freezer for a couple minutes to let it chill a tiny bit. Now just mix all of your ingredients together. Normally I would do 1 tablespoon of dulse flakes, which is a seaweed. Now I did not find it at the store this time, so I bought one of those packages of sea salt seaweed and I put it in the food processor. You know what I think would pair beautifully with this? My ciabatta bread recipe. God, I wish I had some! I will put the link in my description below to my ciabatta bread recipe. You make that vegan mayo, the ciabatta bread, and this together, oh, killer. We're gonna make a delicious tuna wrap.
Hi.
Now I don't think you've gone to try this specific recipe of my tuna salad, so let's see what you think.
Very good.
You can always find my full recipe in my description below. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments what you thought of this video. Now, I hope you know that I'm making these videos for you. So tell me what you want to learn about. I'd love to hear from you. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that now. I put up a video every single Monday. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much. Have a healthy, happy life. Yeah.